Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to make a card. So I am going to be using a set from Avery Elle called Polar Peekaboo Pals. It's really cute little peekaboo-y pals. They don't have the rear end side like the other card that I've done, but they are really cute anyway. And I've already gone ahead and colored and cut those out, die cut those out. And then I also want to use one of the Polaroid frames that I have, and I think I'm going to use this one, I think. So I think I got these on Peachy Cheap. I don't know what brand they are. So let's see. I thought this buffalo plaid, or not buffalo plaid, but this tartan would be kind of pretty, just because I love that anyway, and it's Christmassy, and I had this left over in some of my stash. And I have this cute little moose, and he has the lights on him, and I have this cute little bear, and then I have a cute little penguin, and then I have a scarf that I thought I'd put on the bear, and a hat for the penguin. And then they all have their little paws, which is really cute, except for the penguin has little flippers. Oh my goodness. And then the reindeer and the polar bear. So it's adorable. And it's a really cute set. So there's all of those. I'll put them a little higher so you can see a little bit. I'm going to put those right there. And then I thought what I would do is make my regular card and then have like the Polaroid picture in the front with the guys. So I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to score this at 4 1/4 because it's already cut at 5 1/2. The only thing is, now that I'm wondering, I think I'm going to put this on top of this, and then I might do the Polaroid picture with this, and then maybe what I'll do is cut it out again and use just the frame in white, because the Polaroid picture is usually white at the bottom and around the edge, but then I don't know, why do I feel like something's black? Is it the background that's black? I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out twice using white and using black, and then I'll see what I need to do. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, and this black is going to be too wide to go through, so let me trim this down. I might be able to cut them together. I'm not sure, but I'm going to try. There's so much stuff on my desk right now. Sorry guys, I hate it when I do that, but hopefully I didn't move you guys that time. Okay, yes, it cut them both. So we shall be able to see what I need. I think that's all the die cutting I need to do right this minute. Have some plastic from my thing up there, from the board. All right. So let me trim this down to size. So I need to do this one at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So this will go on like this. And then maybe that'll be all right. And then I can put these little guys in here. It's kind of like they have a black background. We could do something like that maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Let's not fool with that yet. Do I even want this to be the background? Let's see, how could I do it? I could put the moose here, and the bear, and the penguin. I need to put the moose so that he is the highest because his little antlers stick out so far. And you can't really put him to the side unless I make just two on there, or unless I make one peeking from the top. Then one of them has a hat. So maybe I should switch the bear over here and put the penguin over here with the hat. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it because it's pretty cute anyway. These guys are adorable. So let me go ahead and get him stuck down in the middle. And then I'm gonna put him on this side. And I thought it would be funny to like give them names or something. You know how when you were, well, when I was younger, Polaroids were what we had. Well, one of the things I guess we had. I'm sure we had other cameras, but Polaroids were a big deal. And they would write the names of everybody on the thing. So I was thinking that I would do that on this, like Leland, Sam, and I don't know, Charlie. Yeah, that's pretty cute. Okay, so then I'm going to put this down before I add their little arms and stuff. I'm going to put this down. Zoop, zoop, zoop. And then I'll put this down. Ah. Well, goodness gracious, I'm not doing a very good job of putting this around here. Wah. It's a really good reason to use glue because glue is a little more forgiving, but at the same time, you gotta get it stuck on there. I'm a dingrat. Okay, let's try this again. All right, I'm just going to pull this down. Goodness gracious. This shouldn't be this hard. I don't know why I'm struggling with this so much. See how that's like off? That shouldn't be, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a black marker. I'm gonna try to fill this in carefully. All right, I think that's gonna be good. No, I don't need that. I can use this one. Whew-wee, that was a struggle. And let's get his little scarf on. And it's gonna go outside of the picture, even though I know that in reality that wouldn't happen, but you know, this is kind of cute. And maybe I should have put his little paws down first, but it's kind of like they're trying to get out of the picture maybe. Ooh, then that just reminded me of that scary show, The Ring. Ooh, I wish I hadn't thought of that. That was not one of my favorite movies, for sure. No, these guys are too friendly and happy. This isn't like that at all. I might just... I'll put his paws kind of in the middle. Or hooves. I guess they're not paws. I don't know what they are. Reindeer hooves. And then the little wings of this guy, I don't know how they go. Nope, I don't have anything. That looks all right. I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Now I have those reverse tweezers where you hold it in when you want to open it. I don't know why I'm not using them. Okay, that's pretty cute. Maybe I'll just put Happy Holidays 2019. And I won't put any names because I'm not sure everybody would get that. I would get it, but other people might think I was nuts. And you know what? Maybe I'll put some crystals up here, like it might be, just to give it something in the background other than black. So I'm just going to put some glue dots around. Get my crystals out. And my little crystal picker-upper that I love. Love, 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 love my crystal picker-upper. It makes it so easy to place them. And it's just wax, so I know that there's other things out there that you can use, but these were not very expensive. You can buy them on Amazon, and they work really well. And then this side is a little poker, so you can make sure that they're all sticking down pretty well. All right. So here we go. That's pretty cute. You know what? I have a bow too. That will help hide some of that area that I messed up, I think. There, I think that turned out really cute. So there we go. There's our card for this week. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you all soon. Bye-bye.